So we just pulled into the Margaritaville Resort in Orlando, and if any of you guys know me, I'm a huge parrot head. I'm so excited right now. Like, this is heaven for me. I want to live here. But right on the outside of the building, it says changes in latitudes, changes in attitudes. Here's the big reveal. This place is so awesome. I'm in heaven right now. If life gives you limes, make margaritas. Oh, this theming up here at the top of the thing with the parrots and the palm trees is playing. This is unreal. Margarita chandeliers. This place is crazy. Giant parrots. A live backdrop behind the check-in counter. Dude, you know how excited I am right now? I'm in heaven right now. Check it out. We got the coconut telegraph over here. This is so cool. The Coconut Telegraph Business Center. And of course, they've got Buffett on over the loudspeakers here.
Whoa, dude. Whoa. What's this?
Here's the flip-flop, Austin. Stepped on a pop-top.
What?
Stepped on a pop-top. See the pop-top? From the song Margaritaville?
No, I have no idea what that is.
He blew out his flip-flop. That's so awesome. So cool. I love the theming in here. This is amazing. My life goal is to have a cottage here. And then this big back bay window overlooks the lake out back and the pool. The cottages. Hey, how would you like your dad to live in them out there? Someday, you'll be coming to see me here.
I just want to live in here. It's such amazing.
Huge bar over here, Euphoria Bar. Restaurant. Live billboards change all the time. Here's the menu at Euphoria. Watch out. That again.
This is so nice.
This is the bar. Restaurant area. Cool little store here. The Margaritaville store. Rash guard shirt, $39.99. Water shirt here. Couldn't laugh, we would all go insane. One of your dad's favorite sayings. Sing it.
No.
Sing it.
No.
There's so much cool stuff in here.
Yeah, you do this.
Cool little serving tray here.
Mom likes
I hope you've got some good drinks because it's $100. All these shirts on this wall appear to be $26.95. I think this one right here is my favorite. No shoes, no shirt, no problem. Put it on my bill. Yeah, I think all these are $26.95. Got a pretty big selection of deck shoes back here too. Oh, there's one with a land shark. Oh, they all got land shark designs on them over here. These are cool. I'll try these. $54.99, not too bad. These ones down here have parrots on them. I wonder if these are the same. Doesn't say. Oh, there's a tag. Yep, $54.99. I've got these cool belts with a bottle opener attached to them for $40. Got a land shark one here. I think this is my favorite woman's shirt in here. These are $26.95 also, all these shirts. This is so cool. This backdrop is so awesome. Looks like what it's gonna look like when I'm in Aruba. That's so cool. It's so huge. This theming up here is awesome. The backdrop is amazing. Oh, take me there now. So coming down these steps right here, we've got another bar down here, a restaurant called On Vacation. It's closed right now. The seagrass room. And then here's the big reveal into the pool and the lake out back. Holy cow.
I want to go in this.
Oh, and they got that. So that restaurant down there that I just showed you has got a window out here that I'm assuming is open during the day. That you can pick up your food and get drinks right here by the pool.
No way.
And they've got a fire pit down here.
No way.
I got outside seating upstairs. More Buffett on the radio. I'm gonna walk over here by the pool and check this out. This place is absolutely amazing. Amazing. Beautiful. It's huge. It's just, I don't even know what to say. I kept getting goosebumps talking to the lady in the store up there. She was amazing. I think her name was Kathy. Give her a raise. She deserves it. And there's we're out here by the trees now. There's some seashells in the sand. Got seashells in there. Maybe the kids can just pick up and bring back, I'm sure. This is cool. Jimmy definitely did well. Pulled out all the stops.
He was here 3 to 4 weeks ago.
Yeah, we just missed him by 3 or 4 weeks. We just missed Buffett by 3 or 4 weeks. The lady in the store, Kathy, told us. Man, I would have lost my mind. There's a concert up front in the shops and stores when we got here. I was hoping maybe Jimmy was just making a surprise appearance, but he didn't. I'm just blown away. Absolutely blown away right now. This place is amazing. I want to buy a cottage here so bad.
Me too.
I think they're around $300,000 starting out for a small 2-bedroom. They've got some live entertainment playing right now by the pool. Flip you around and take a look.
Hungry?
The Salty Rim Bar and Grill over there.
Can we get in here?
Surfboard shower right there in front of us. Another pool over here. Cottages in the background.
And then sanctuary.
Here's a look at the cottages out here.
Dad, can you play my playground?
No,
Why?
because we're not guests here. We're just checking it out. I want one so bad.
Why is there wood? Dead lizard.
Okay, yes, there's lots of lizards here in Florida. I want to own here. They said the cottages start at $299 for a 2-bedroom. Here's one that got the hot tubs out back right here, if you guys can see that. Margaritaville hot tubs.
So nice. Dad, we're buying it.
And they say that the cottages that face the water have to have a pool in the back of them, between the house and the pool. So, or between the house and the water. I believe that's a requirement in the condo association. So if it faces the lake, you got to have a pool, and I'm sure that raises the price another $50,000 to $100,000. Here's the weight room. I don't know if you guys can see in there or not. It's all stocked with some nice equipment. TVs on the wall. I don't know if you guys can see that, but Here's maybe a better view if you guys can see. Some treadmills, cable machine. Looks like some heavy weight stack machines down there. You got a Smith machine in the back. Here's the St. Somewhere Spa. They've got it all stocked. There's the front desk. All kinds of goodies in here. Right next to that, I think, is the child daycare center. Let's see, the Parakeets Kids Club. It's right next to that. Looks like a fun activity center for kids. Stuff to do for them while their parents are chilling at the resort having a cocktail.
There's a freaking Xbox right.
Alright, so I wasn't able to get into any of the cottages or hotel rooms right now. But what I'll do is I'll put a link down below to the stuff from the actual website for the resort, and you guys can see what the rooms and the cottages look like that. So yeah, I couldn't get into anything. It's late in the evening, it's after 5 o'clock. I think pretty much all the tours and all that kind of stuff are done for right now, but I'm just absolutely blown away. This is heaven for a parrot head. So if you're a parrot head like I am, you definitely want to be here. You definitely want to stay here. You definitely want to buy a cottage here. This is amazing.
Can't believe Austin.
Here's a view of the hotel from the walkway between the pool and the hotel. It's absolutely massive. It's huge. I talked to one of the ladies up top, and she said that they've built 90 cottages, I believe. They're going to build another 60 to 90. And then they said that they're going to build 300 timeshares. They're also putting in a stadium, or like a stadium for concerts and other things. So they're going to have they're planning on having famous people play here. Obviously Jimmy, I'm sure, is going to come here and play a concert. Like we said earlier, he was just here a couple weeks ago. He showed up. Funny story, they said that he showed up, came in, nobody knew he was coming, and he walked downstairs to the bottom, kicked his flip-flops off, pulled out his guitar, and just started playing and put on a free acoustic concert for everybody here out of nowhere. Nobody had any idea he was coming, and I think that's amazing. Like, I love Jimmy Buffett. I love his whole aura, and this place definitely pulls it off. They've got all kinds of Jimmy-isms and things, lines from his songs all over this place. It's awesome. It's awesome. I can't stop smiling. Top of the terraces say changes in latitude, changes in attitude. They've got these sweet bird cage chairs with little parrots in them, parrot pillows. Does it feel better because it's Jimmy Buffett? Yeah. Look at this, a big clam shell here on this table. That's so awesome. The thing is huge. I don't know if it's real or not, but I don't care. It's so cool. The best saying ever invented. So true. Look at this. They've just got a balloon hat made with a shark fin. Fins up, fins to the left, fins to the right. Okay, we left the Margaritaville Resort and we were out in front of it where all the shops and restaurants and things are, and I'm gonna walk around here and check this all out. There's a British restaurant here called Yeoman's. I don't think it's open yet. We just drove by it, but here's the outside of it, all themed. It's got a Big Ben tower on it. Right behind it is a movie bar and grill, I believe. Not sure. And then right here is Ford's Garage. This is pretty cool. I'll show you this car up front here. They've got some nice theming going on, and this is all part of the Margaritaville Resort. Tires up there, the old style gas pumps. Sweet old Fords. One here, there's another one right there. They got outside seating. There's a car above the top there. So directly across the street from Ford's Garage is a new restaurant coming. I'm not sure how to pronounce that. Tequila's Taco Cantina. I'm sure this is going to be amazing. And then down here, rest of the street, there's a sugar restaurant or a store right across from Ford's garage directly. There's a few empty storefronts down here still. They're not open yet. And this is called the Sunset Walk, Margaritaville Resort. A nail salon, Bahama Bucks, Shaved Ice Company, and they're having a live concert down here. I think it's a flash mob they're going to do, and that's what you guys hear talking over top of me right now. I found the Radio Margaritaville booth. There it is. See if the DJ's in there. I don't see him. You guys see in there?
Oh yeah.
All the microphones and stuff. Radio Margaritaville. And then they're having a flash mob thing going on right over here, I guess. Got some seating out here, special event seating. See if we can get a better view in here on this end. No sun. There's a bento Asian kitchen across the street.
Stand by, Bento. Stand by.
Please welcome Mr. Arthur Falcone, Chief Executive Officer and Chairman of the Falcone Group and co-founder of Encore Capital.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you for coming. Okay. Do you want to do the whole thing? No. Okay. I think it will back you too.
All right, so we left Margaritaville's Sunset Walk, and they're doing a flash mob for somebody. I'm not sure. They didn't say who it was, but they're, I guess, famous. A Hispanic couple, first married couple to receive the Presidential Medal of Freedom from Barack Obama, and they're doing a flash mob thing for some award that they're getting. I'm not quite sure. They didn't really say, but they're practicing for it right now. That's what's going on. So I'm heading over to Rock and Brews right now to get something to eat, and I wish I could film the food that I'm going to get, but my battery is about to die on my camera. I just want to give you guys a heads up. This is a new restaurant here in the Margaritaville thing also. Here's the front of it. Spin the camera around. Just take a look at it. There's a big guitar fender up there. If that's what that's called, I can't remember. If it's not, tell me in the comments down below what that is, because I'm not quite sure. But this is Rock and Brews. This is what we've got.